It's Lily at Reed Ranch. Roxane gifted me this fantastic stamp set, Petite Coccinelle. And if you are not a francophone, I will traduise for you. I don't know which accent I just got there. I'm suddenly doing Monty Python. So as you can see, there's a great big flower and there are cute little ladybirds doing different things. This one has a little flower. This one looks like she wants to hug you. This one's kind of looks to me like flying. And this one has her bum sticking out there. So people are probably familiar with merci, which means thank you. Je pense à toi means I'm thinking of you. Tu es mignonne comme tout translates to you're cute as all get out, I would say. Quelle belle demoiselle means sort of like what a beautiful little lady, or what a beautiful, like you would to a child almost. That's what I would say, like what a pretty little lady, like that. Easy for me to say. I don't speak French anymore. Ouvre tes ailes et vole, which means open your wings and fly. Bonne chance is good luck, and tu m'apportes bonheur is I'm sending you happiness. Woo! Hard for me to translate. I know what I mean.